Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I tell you how it's easy to convert your text file into an audio file within minutes. First visit data.t0.com. If I want to convert a file, I must have an user code. Let's get one by fill the request form. After submission, you can use your email address to fetch the user code allocated. Now it's time to do the real work. Click text to speech menu, then fill the user code. Choose the voice language for your text, and select the file to upload. The file must be in plain text format. Once submitted, your work is done. Just sit back waiting. Within minutes, I check the status by the user code. Now it is completed. Click the link to see how the audio is good. How good is the audio quality? Let's listen.
Chapter 13. A Duel or Two. It happened before we thought it would. The knock at the door. Nickel opening the door. A man I knew must be his father sweeping Nickel up in his arms. Nickel crying. I'd never seen Nickel cry until now, only the tear streaks on his face the day I found him in the storm.
You can download and save the audio to your local disk. Is this video helpful? Do you know this video voice is also generated from the t0.com? Thank you watching.